Let's move on to the next question. What is the difference between a homemade food and a restaurant food? What is the difference between homemade food and restaurant food? So I'm sure this is not a less debatable topic. We can actually speak more about this. So here we are just going to give a few, mention a few differences between the homemade and a restaurant food, okay? Just the basic common differences. As I said earlier, this is part 3 question. So just the issues based on the particular topic we can discuss here. Homemade food is healthy. Not just healthy, hygienic, economical, and nutritious, whereas restaurant food is comparatively spicy, expensive, and at times unhygienic. However, it is true that restaurants offer variety in both food items and tastes. But their food tastes good only if we eat it occasionally. All right, so that is the difference that I feel of homemade food and a restaurant food has. So definitely, yes, restaurant foods are tasty, but are they healthy? That is a question mark. So homemade food are generally healthy, hygienic, economical, and nutritious. Whereas coming to a restaurant food, it is definitely spicy, expensive, and sometimes it is unhygienic too. So, however, it is true that restaurants offer variety both in food items and in taste. But that cannot be consumed regularly. You would definitely enjoy the taste of any particular food from the restaurant only if it is eaten occasionally and not on a regular basis. Let's move on to the next question. Can you define a true friend? Yes, we all can definitely define a true friend, but how are we going to define a true friend? How a true friend is supposed to be? When do you call a friend a true friend? Maybe when the person knows everything about you, when a person is always there when you are in need, when a friend is a true friend, when the person is able to get up and correct you when you're wrong, to guide you at the times of hardship. Let's move on to the answer. I think a true friend is one who knows all our negative points and still loves us. It is indeed rare to find such a friend. However, those who have true friends are really lucky because they have someone they can trust in this materialistic world. Okay, so I define a true friend as one who knows all our negativity, one who always stands by our side during times of hardship. So it is indeed very rare to find such a friend, but those who have found such a friend in their lives are really lucky people, because the world that we live in is a materialistic world. And if we have really found a person with whom we can share everything, and that person is ready to accept you the way you are in spite of your negativity and in spite of the differences, then that person is called a true friend.